everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge of Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your CBNST class, and that has been the important of course, and that what we even though have to discuss here. This has been class as your 11th class of the session of CBNST, where we had discussed that here in the detail about it. And now we will have to continue with the question that was what we had done in the last classes, and we'll continue in this class only. So before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So here we go ahead, and as I told you that what we have to discuss about it. So we had done 3 iterations here, and now we'll continue with the 4th iteration as well. Please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So here we go ahead here. Iteration number, new interval, A comma B, we go ahead for the next. We'll have C equals to A plus B by 2, f of A, f of B and f of C. So here we go ahead for the same. So here for the iteration that we have here, that has been the iteration 4. It is iteration 5. Iteration 6, 7, 8, 9, iteration 10, and iteration 11. So for those we'll do it. So here we go ahead. For iteration 4 we have A equals to (0.975), B equals to 175, C equals to 1.056250. It is minus 0.223670. Now for iteration 5, we go ahead. C equals to A plus B by 2. F of A we have here minus 0.223670 0.728491 0.167707. Iteration 6, 0.975. B equals to 1.015625. Iteration 7, that we have. Now we go ahead for the next, which is for iteration 8, that what we have here. B equals to 0.015625. For iteration, we have another one. Ninth iteration we have, that we have to talk about it. B equals to 1.000391. Then for the tenth we have here B equals to so here for A equals to B equals to that we have here. Okay, now we go ahead further. This is a solution using a bisection method. So in the above table, as you can observe that 10th iteration is where that means C equals to 0.999121, and in an 11th iteration C equals to 0.99756. Yeah, so the three-digit repeat after the decimal point, and hence the value of the root that is correct, is the three decimal places is 0.99576. We'll obtain to obtain the root using the regular parsing method, we'll go ahead for the same. We know that the root lies in 0, 1.3, and hence let us take x0 equals to 0 and x1 is equals to 1.3 as initial approximation. So for the same, Now we talk about iteration 1. Next root regular fast method that is being given here. That what we will have to talk about it. Iteration 2 we talk about it. For iteration 2 it is your so for the same. This is how you have to implement the values. Now we'll talk about 5fx3. So root lies now we talk about iteration 3 that we have. We'll go ahead for x4. fx4 is equals to fx3 fx2 since so root lies 1.30.262874. We'll go ahead for iteration 4 here. x4 equals to 0.262874. Now we go ahead for the next here that is for fx3 so since root lies 1.3 minus 0.338105. For the iteration that to be given here, we'll talk about in our table. So here we go ahead for the C. For the iteration, we talk about it. Iteration number. So with that we have your new interval. That is of course AR xn minus 1 and xn. Next root xn plus 1. So for that we have here, we'll talk about the iterations here. That is we have for 5, 4 we had done, 6, Then come to 35. And of course then we'll come to 36. So for the same we go ahead here, we made it out, and then what we'll discuss about. For the new interval we talk about for the first one, x4 equals to 1.3, x5 is equals to 0.338105, x6 it will be 0.407878, now for iteration 6, x5 1.3, x6 goes to 0.407878, now for the next we talk about it, which we have to discuss about here in the detail about it, and that is what we have to discuss is 7th iteration. Then we have here another one. Now for the next we talk about it, iteration that we have is your iteration 8. So here the new interval, as I had written here, will get x9. For 9th, for the 10th iteration we go ahead. For 11, it is your x10 is equals to 1.3. Now we'll talk about 35th one, iteration. So we go ahead for the 35th iteration we have here, that is x34 equals to 1.3, x35 equals to 0.998817, x36 equals to 0.999094, 12.78588949 minus 0.011766. For x that is equals to 35, which is equals to 1.3, x 36 equals to 0.999094, 37 equals to 0.99306. This is a solution for the regular Farsi method here that we had done here. After that, here you have to note that the 35th iteration we have 0.999094, the 9993 digit we have matched it. For the 36th iteration it is 0.99306, so 999 it is matched out as well. So the significant digit after the decimal point that repeats 36th iteration here, hence the root 0.99306 is a correct up to 3 decimal places. So we have to comment on the results. So here that you have to note that the bisection method needs 11 iteration, whereas the regular Farsi method needs 36 iteration for the same accuracy in the root. Hence, the regular Farsi method converges slowly for this question, and to overcome this problem, initial approximation should be selected very close to the root as well. The important point you have to know about it that this question is being solved with the help of a computer program. In exam, students can calculate up to 11 iterations of the regular Farsi method. In 11th iteration, x12 is equal to 0.730446, which is far away from the root, and hence we can say that the regular Farsi method needs more number of iterations compared to the bisection method, and hence regular Farsi converges slowly for the question, but note that convergence of regular Farsi is better in general case. So here we're gonna end up with, and before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe our channel so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than CBNST, yes, we had done your sociology and software engineering, we had done your chemistry where we had completed unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6 with the unit 7, unit 8, unit 9 with the conversions, logarithms, anti-logs, elements with their symbols, atomic mass number, molar masses as well. We had done understanding the human being comprehensively, the human aspiration and its fulfillment, where we had done unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5 with their 2 marks possible questions. We had done your ER diagram, we are dealing with English vocabulary as well. We had done a quantitative aptitude. We had dealing with, which is in that we had started with arithmetical ability. In that we had done operations on numbers, LCM and SCF of number, decimal fraction, simplification, square roots and cube roots, from the numbers, from the ages, sums and indices, averages, and now we are dealing with the percentage here. In terms of reasoning, we had done verbal reasoning. In that we had done general mental ability in the logic reasoning. In non-verbal reasoning, we had done series analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, embedded figure competitions, figure panel, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, group detection, group of identical figures, cubes and dice, dot situation, constructions of squares and triangles, figure formation analysis, and practice question set. In terms of CBNST, we had started with Unit 1 and Unit 2 will start discussing after completing this, then Unit 3 and Unit 4 respectively. So thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. Please keep supporting us as you had supported till the date.